Hey, I'm Johannes of NewGadgets.de and I'm here at the CES 2015 in Las Vegas, and here at the Lenovo booth we're having a look at the new Yoga Tablet 2 with Windows with 8-inch. It's hanging over here, and that's already one of the modes of this tablet, the hang mode. So, for example, you can just hang it down like this. You can use it in the tablet mode, of course, with the stand. Just use it as a tab, or you just put it up like this in the stand mode, or like here in the tilt mode. So it's pretty versatile, this back over here, this stand. And the hanging mode is, for example, in the kitchen, if you want to have a look at a video where somebody's cooking or so. It's a pretty nice idea. And I really like the idea of these 8-inch tablets with Windows, because you can basically do everything you already know from your PC, from your notebook, but just on this small tablet. See, right now I'm using Paint, and as you can see, I'm really good at it. So, I'm so good at drawing, as you can see. So, Windows 8, of course. Feels really good. The stand is made out of metal. Over here on the side is the headphone jack. There's the Windows button, so you always get back to your app or to Windows if you press this button. It's pretty thin over here on this side, as you can see. And on the other side there's the micro USB port and the volume buttons and the power button. So let's have a look at the specs. So it uses an Intel Atom Z3745 quad core with 1.86 gigahertz. 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigabyte of internal storage, but it's expandable. It has a 6,400 mAh battery, which lasts up to 15 hours. So they are really famous for the Yoga tablets for their battery life, and I think 15 hours for a Windows tablet is pretty good. And as you can see, it uses Windows 8.1, Office 365, 1-year subscription. It has a front camera, of course, 1.6 megapixel over here, and there's a back camera over here that has 8 megapixel. So, and there's also something special about this tab. So when we're back in Paint, you can see that I used my finger to write, but as you can see, this is a pencil and you can still write with it, and this is a real carrot, and you can still write with this carrot on this tablet. So that's pretty funny. So you can use basically everything that is like a stick. This is this ball pen. You can still use it as a stylus for your tab. So it's pretty versatile on that. So that's really a nice idea. And this is called the Lenovo AnyPen technology. So I never saw this before, that somebody wrote with a carrot on a tablet. So it's a pretty nice idea. And that's the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 2 with Windows here at the CES 2015. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this device, just leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. And let me know what you think about this device. I really prefer the 8-inch tablet because it's really portable and mobile. And subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my CES videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.